Hello viewers, many of you asked me how to make the AI of Ram and Seeta. So upon your request, I created this video by which you can easily design the AI of Ram and Seeta. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. Step 1. Capture a screenshot of the photo you can see on the screen and save it. Step 2. Open Google and search Remaker AI. Click on the first link. Then tap on multiple face swap option. It will ask you to upload an image. Step 3. Click on upload image and select the image which you saved in the first step. Step 4. Click on the add option. Your AI is ready. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.